evening, everyone. We would like to welcome you back to another episode of 3 and 3, where we discuss 3 fragrances for a very specific occasion in 3 minutes or less.
Yes, and today's occasion we're talking about is date night. It's good to smell your best on date night, even though you might be going out with someone you've been on a date with before. Maybe it's your girlfriend, maybe it's your wife, maybe it's your husband or boyfriend, whatever it may be. Treat it like it's the first date. Always show up with your best, and we have some great fragrances for you to do that. The first one up here, this is for the guys, but again, wear whatever you want, whatever smells great to you. This is called Desert Toxic. This is coming from Parfum Micallef. This is really, really sexy stuff. I was so surprised when I first smelled this. I don't know what to expect. It is kind of fruity sweet, but there's a beautiful darkness to it. You got a lot of black currant, which is kind of a fruity tartness in there that's juicy and again pretty dark, with some cannabis, which might sound like it will turn you off, but it's in there in a very balanced way. It has this slightly kind of sour, pungent herbal quality that mixes perfectly with the fruits, and a very robust base of warm benzoin and oak moss. So it is kind of commanding, but it's also kind of playful and seductive and very alluring.
We have this beautiful fragrance for the ladies by Raja Dove, Creation Eve, Essence de Parfum. And it's become one of my absolute favorite fragrances. Yeah. It is beautiful citrus at the top. It has a lovely floral heart with rose, which is one of my favorite notes, and ylang ylang and others. Buttery and warm with sandalwood and ambergris and musk and some vanilla. Yeah. It's absolutely lovely. It'll make you feel amazing and flirty and sexy and fun, and it's a great choice, and I honestly wear it during the day as well, but it's lovely for a date night.
Yeah, it drives me crazy. And our final pick, this is our unisex offering, but again, if you like it, wear it. This is coming from BDK, and this is called Tabak Rose. A very powerful concoction here. So you don't need a ton of sprays, especially if you're gonna be close to somebody by the end of the night. But this is a beautiful mix of rose and tobacco, as per the name. It does have this opulence to it, but this earthy kind of dusty quality in the background, which is that tobacco. But it is kind of mouth-watering and sweet with some chocolate. So it smells almost a little bit edible, even some plum in there as well. So you have a nice little duality of like edible, almost gourmand qualities with the plum and the chocolate, but then that tobacco and rose really kind of grounds it together. It's just really, really beautiful. A little spicy as well. Very sexy stuff. Has a little bit more of an elegance to it, I would say, but still perfect for date night.
That's it.
That's gonna do it for us. Thank you all for watching. All the links to all the fragrances will be down in the description. Let us know if you've tried any of these, and we'll see you in the next one.